I'm ready. I'm ready for a new job, for a new job. I'm ready for a new job. I'm ready. Greetings, purveyor of elongated sausage products. I would love to work at your establishment.
Well, you do look enthusiastic. All right, kid. Let's see what you got. So, this is the kitchen.
This grill is not in very good shape.
Oh, we don't use the grill. We cook everything on the roller. Good luck, kid.
There's something not quite right about this food, but I'm not sure what it is. Aha!
Hey, where are those weenies?
Your weenies, sir.
What in the name of Davy Jones's gym shorts are these?
They're weenie patties.
What are you? Some kind of nut? You've ruined my weenies! You're fired!
Ah! But Mr. Krabs, why?
Mr. Who?
I mean, Mr. Wiener.
Just go.
Well, that was a setback. Hello, Pizza Pie Hole. Excuse me, Mr. Pizza Man. You need a fry cook?
Oh, boy, do I. Can you make pizza?
Probably.
Oh, that's amazing. Congratulations. You're hired.
Cool. Well, it's no Krabby Patty, but perhaps I'll find contentment.
Hey, buddy, how's the pizza coming?
Almost done, but I did change the recipe a bit.
Yeah, well, no problem. A few extra toppings never hurt anyone. Huh? What have you done? You turned an innocent pizza into a pizza patty. It's an abomination.
Yeah, of deliciousness.
You're fired.
But who will make the Krabby Patties?
Krabby Patties? What do you think this is, the Krusty Krab?
Oh, like I need his dumb job anyway. Hope his pepperoni falls off. Hey, Taco Man, may I have a job, por favor?
All right. Let's see what you can do with a burrito.
How about that?
Interesting. It's some sort of burrito patty. Who'd like to taste it?
I'll give it a go.
You're fired.
But I've given you the best years of my life, Mr. Krabs.
Get to stepping.
You're fired! And take your noodle patty with you!
Oh, I'll take it all right. I'll take it to go! Oh. For years, I worked at the Krusty Krab. Now I've been fired 5 times in one day. Who are you gonna cook for now, SpongeBob? Sorry, Gary, you must be starving. Don't worry, Gare Bear. I'll open up a can of Snail Po for you. Oh, no. We're all out of Snail Po. We'll just have to make our own. Perfect! One homemade can of Snail Po. What's that, Gary? It's the best food you've ever had?
Yeah, this is delicious.
I got the cookbook, Mr. Krabs.
Hurry up, boyo. Breakfast don't last all day, you know.
Love potions, summoning demons, the undead and you. Oh, breakfast. Stacks of woe. That must mean pancakes. This book sure calls for some weird ingredients. Mr. Krabs, do we have any zombie teeth, dragon's breath, eye of newt?
Well, there should be some in the back of the freezer.
Really?
What? I can't pass up a sale.
Found 'em. Must be cooked in an iron cauldron. Ooh, classy. I think there's one in here somewhere. Oh, there you are. Oh, they're glorious.
Looks tasty. Mr. Squidward, you're up again.
Say, these are pretty good.
Breakfast is served.
Your oatmeal, sir.
Deliciously bland.
I woke up before noon for this? Where is my morning sustenance?
Your waffles.
A meal most toothsome. Time to pay for my repast. Ow! Egad! My hindquarters have gone rogue!
I am beyond offended.
Whoa.
Who ordered the parfait?
Tell me for the gajillionth time, how is this gonna work?
I'll show ya. If you put your arms behind you, I can be your hands.
Oh, so when I scoop ice cream,
I'll do the scooping.
and when I give change,
I'll do the counting.
and when my butt itches,
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Okay, ready for your second and last chance? Let me show you how to make...
ice cream sandwiches. I think I got this.
Ooh!
Time for my first break?
No, not yet. But I think you're ready for the big time. All right, kid, relax, don't choke, and try to have fun.
Easy queasy lemon sneezer. Work is hard work.
Hello, folks. I'm edible Ed. Start with my head.
Great job, newbie. Now you can take your first break.
My break? I can eat ice cream now?
All you can handle.
Thanks for your help, buddy. Now, let's dig in!
Oh, I'd love to. But if I don't hurry, I'll be late for my job. Sure you can handle that ice cream all by yourself?
silly question.
The Bergenmouth, a consumer's paradise of brand-like items stocked as far as the eye can see.
"19 seconds! That's a new record, Lou!
That's great, SpongeBob. 142.
But it's not an official record until we record it in the Book of Records. 19 seconds.
Okay, so it's $1.42.
Sign here, please. Initial here, and here, and here. Oh, look. It's a picture I took of you the first time I ever came here. Ah, look at you, so young and happy. Where do the years go? Hey, what's that? Plan your own party kit. Hey, Lou, how much?
For the Plan Your Own Party kit? Oh, we're having a special on those. They're free. But you have to leave. Right now.
Let's see, Gary. According to the Plan Your Own Party kit, invitations are the first order of business. A short guest list consisting of only your closest acquaintances will set an intimate tone for the evening and provide soiree success. Well, you heard the man, Gary. Only our closest friends.
Who the barnacles is SpongeBob SquarePants?
I believe you went to kindergarten with him, dear.
Kindergarten, huh? Oh, yeah, SquarePants. Well, I guess it's time to move again.
Boy, Gary, this Plan Your Own Party kit's a real lifesaver. How else would I have known to make freshly whipped clotted cream? Gary, you better call an astronomer, because this clotted cream is out of this world! My piñata! Oh! The Plan Your Own Party kit encourages creativity when stuffing your piñata. That's why I'm using deviled eggs. Good question, Gary, but not to worry. The Plan Your Own Party kit warns that unsupervised parties can lead to disaster. That's why I've taken the liberty of devising a schedule. 8 o'clock to 8:05, guests arrive. 8:05 to 8:15, opening remarks and general discussion. 8:15 to 8:27, craft corner, followed by name tag distribution. At 8:27, we begin the qualifying rounds for our cracker eating / tongue twister contest. 9:07, running charades. 9:38, charity apple bob. 9:57, electric jitterbug dance marathon. Ladies' choice. At 10:09, things start cooking as I dip into my world-famous knock-knock joke vault.
I got some fresh ingredients for our new Krabby soup. A half-eaten Krabby Patty. 2 moldy pickles. And some smashed potatoes that look like Squidward.
Mr. Krabs, did you get those ingredients from the trash?
Of course not. That wouldn't be legal. I intercepted these items on their way to the trash. I want everybody in Bikini Bottom to buy my soup. Yuppies, guppies, puppies.
Hippies?
Hippies.
Yeah, there's a group of hippies living out back by the hydrothermal vent.
Hippies? On my property? All right, you long hairs, beat it. This here's private property.
We're just keeping warm, dude.
Yeah, baby. We like to hang near hydrothermal vents.
We're vent creatures. We get cold real fast.
Yeah, I don't care. You're trespassing. And littering. Paisleys. Back you go.
Hey, freaky friends, it's warm in here.
And keep running, you deadbeats!
This seems just as good as a heat band.
Let's crash this pad.
That should discourage those bohemians. Hey, hold on there, lad. You might be overdoing the ingredients. It's just broth.
Huh, that's funny. It was loaded with stuff a few minutes ago.
Well, go ahead and add some more. We got customers waiting.
Aye, aye, Mr. Krabs.
Guess I bought the disappearing kind of potatoes.
Oh, hungry soup, eh? Let's see if you like onions. Today's special is onion soup a la SpongeBob. All right, listen, Soup. You want me to get tough? All right, I'll get tough. I made you from scratch, and I can unscratch you.
When you're done fighting with the food, we have an order for 3 soups.
Make soup, not war.
Well, I never. You obviously love your soup more than you love me. Take this soup back. I'm returning my husband's soup too.
What's the problem?
There are hippies in the soup.
Ha! Hippies in the soup. That's a new one.
Avast there, ye invertebrate! You're throwing away me money!
Anyone else down there?
Mr. Krabs, I think the soup might be haunted.
Son, did you forget to pay your brain bill again?
Hey, Mr. K, how much money did you make today?
Oh, hippies! All right, you deadbeats! This is an eviction! You are to leave this soup immediately!
We won't go!
No, we won't go!
The snail! I forgot the snail! I gotta do something! Oh! Okay. Here we go, right here. Eat. You gotta finish this food!
See you later, Patrick.
Come on, eat! Oh!
Gary, I'm home.
Hi, SpongeBob.
Squidward, what are you doing here?
Oh, just checking up on old Gary for you.
What a great friend you are, Squidward.
So, well, I guess I'll see you later. Bye.
Thanks, Squidward. I can always count on you. Gary! Gary, what's happened to you? What's wrong? Squidward, something's wrong with Gary. Squidward!
Oh.
Yes, it's just as I thought.
What?
This is definitely a snail.
I knew it! Oh, Squid, did you hear that?
Therefore, a shot of snail plasma must be carefully administered. Here you go.
Aren't you gonna do it?
Oh, no. I'm too squeamish.
Hang on, Doc. Let me help you with your bag there.
Squid, wait! I can't give Gary his plasma. I'm squeamish too.
Oh, SpongeBob, I don't want to.
Gary!
Okay, I'll do it.
Now don't hurt him, Squidward. Okay, steady. Wait, that's too hard. Okay, try it again. Wait.
Hold him still.
Wait.
Hold him still.
Ouch. Squidward, you've injected me with snail plasma.
Well, you made me do it.
What's gonna happen to me?
Oh, nothing. It's just a little snail plasma.
I don't know, I feel kind of funny.
I'm telling you, it's all in your head. He just needed water.
Oh, Gary, you're better.
Oh, how touchy. I'm gonna go home and throw up. Good night.
Squidward, wait, the snail plasma.
Trust me, SpongeBob, nothing's gonna happen to you. You're fine.
Don't worry, Gary. Squidward says I'll be fine. He knows everything. So, you hungry? Here you go. Eat up, Gary. Wow! It's Sunday, Gary. Guess what's for breakfast? That's right. A sundae. Whoops. Looks like we're out of ice cream. Guess I'll have to use something else. Ketchup. Bananas, cherries, boring. Ah, here we go. Onions. Ready, Gary. Just one more thing. Peanuts. Gary, our peanuts jar is totally empty. Wait, I know one other place we can find peanuts. Good thing I still have these peanut plants growing in the windowsill. A little texture never hurt. There we go. This sundae's gonna taste great. Aren't you gonna help me, Gary? Gary? Oh, well, more for me. You know what they say, Gary? I'm easy like Sunday morning. Another order? Okay. Get ready, Spatchy. Time to grill up one more golden piping hot Krabby double dip milkshake. Gee, I haven't made one of those in a while. Order up! One double dip milkshake. Wait! I almost forgot. The cherry on top. There you are, sir. A perfect double dip milkshake. Enjoy.
Well, it looks delightful. This thing's frozen. Barnacles! How am I supposed to drink this? This shake is disgusting. Why, you probably don't even have a license to milkshake.
A license to milkshake? Well, of course I do, silly. And it doesn't expire until 7 years ago!
Your milkshake license expired 7 years ago? Outrageous! I demand a refund!
Hey, now! Let's not say things we might regret later. Tell you what, you come back tomorrow, and SpongeBob will make you a proper milkshake. All right, see you tomorrow.
Where are we going, Mr. Krab?
I'm taking you back to school.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
There you are, boy. The Milkshake Academy. You know, boy, milkshaking technology and know-how is advanced since you were last a cadet.
I shall do my best, sir.
Hey, look! Up in the sea! I don't think he's wearing a parachute.
Patties, cadets.
Welcome to the Milkshake Academy. I'm your instructor, Captain Frosty Mug. Let's not beat around the bush here, boys. Your mama's not here to wipe the whipped cream from your chinny chin chins, and I'm not here to help you with your bendy straws. My sole purpose is to transform you from mere guppies into cool, cold-drafted, chilled-to-the-bone, ice-cream-blooded, licensed, milkshake-making guppies. But you must prove yourselves worthy of this distinction. Do you consider yourself worthy, Cadet SquarePants?
Yes, sir. Worthy and ready.
I see. Then this first test will be a breeze. What do you call this?
Oh, that's easy. It's an ice cream spatula.
That's enough. This, Cadet SquarePants, is your scooper, the most vital weapon in the Milkshaker's arsenal. It's clear that most of you understand the fundamentals. Now it's time to see what you can do. Get it? Man your milky stations.
A few more bells and whistles than I'm used to, but I think I can work with this. Oh, dear.
Fantastic! Nice and creamy mouthfeel. SquarePants appears to be having problems again. Scoop, please explain where he has gone wrong.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, he is attempting to use the upper control panel to mix. Sir, every cadet knows that these are telemetry functions and all blending controls are on the lower panel. Sir!
Oh, that's right! How silly of me. Mr. Krabs is right. Milkshaking sure has changed over the years.
Very good. But how does it taste? Maybe we need to get back to basics.
A gift in your likeness. 'Cause you're so sweet. Get it? 'Cause pineapples are sweet, and you are sweet also as well. Get it?
Hey, buddy. You still got that bucket of cheese? No, he's not right! Don't worry, pal. I'll help you. Buddy, you okay?
Patrick, thank you so much. If it wasn't for your tremendous gorilla strength, I would have been a goner. If there's anything I can do to return the favor, anything at all, you just let me know. Anyway, back to my karate exercises. Oh, and help yourself to the cheese bucket. Thanks again, buddy. Oh, Patrick is my best friend. He wouldn't hurt me.
He's a big boy. Just wait till he gets hungry. Out here, it's eat or be eaten.
He's gotten a taste of flesh. Hey, Patrick.
Hey, SpongeBob.
Sounds like you're hungry.
And boy, am I. I'm so hungry. I could eat anything. I could eat an entire sponge. Okay. I was just gonna share my golden sponge cake with him. It's got delicious cream filling, too. Oh.
It's all true. Patrick is going to eat me. What should I do?
You gotta protect yourself. What you need is a fort.
This mud replica of the Krusty Krab should protect me from that fiend, Patrick. Ah! He's onto me! Must hide! I'm safe. Patrick can't get me in here. I don't need to go outside. I have everything I need right here. Spatula. Now I just need some buns. Oh, crunchy.
Remember, kid, it's eat or be eaten.
Yes, yes. I shall eat Patrick before he eats me.
Something smells good. What are you cooking, SpongeBob?
I'm gonna cook you up and eat ya.
Why do you want to eat me?
I know what you're doing. You're playing dumb, but it won't work because I'm going to eat you before you eat me.
Well, not if I eat you first.
Oh, no, you don't. Where'd he go? Come on out, Patrick. You can't hide forever. What's this? Warm water?
You seemed kind of tense, so I drew you a hot bath.
Wow, thanks, Patrick. I did get a trifle unhinged, didn't I?
Oops, I forgot the bath beads.
Thanks, Patrick. You're a real pal. Funny-looking bath beads. They almost look like carrots. Carrots! You're making soup out of me!
I was not! It was supposed to be stew! Phew. I'm getting tired.
Why don't you take a nap on this nice, soft bed? There, that's it. Here, I'll tuck you in with this nice, soft blanket. And what's a blanket without a little ketchup?
This isn't a bed!
Wait! Come back! You're not properly seasoned! Ah! Ah!
What? Hey! Give me that ketchup back!
No! Gotcha!
No! Got you!
I got you!
Congratulations! You did it!
Did what?
Why, earn your Survivalist medals, of course. Only a hardcore survivalist will break down and nearly eat his best pal.
Why do you care if we're survivalists?
Because I'm not just some old hermit.
I'm Sandy Cheeks, survivalist extraordinaire.
Sandy?